Hello, this is Brad Campbell with CIT 336. This is my enhancement number 6 video. I'm on the Acme homepage, a home view. First thing I'm going to do is validate the CSS. No errors found. Go back to the home page. Also going to validate the HTML. No errors or warnings to show. First thing I'm going to do is go to my account link. I'm going to log in a level. Well, let's test the HTML first. No errors or warnings to show. I'm going to log in a level 1 user. Okay, that person is logged in. I'm going to validate the HTML. No errors or warnings to show. Going to log that person out. Now I'm going to go up here and show you the extra credit. Go to the products. Takes you back to the home page. Now I'm going to log in a level 3 user. Takes you to the go to product management. It says hello admin user. Going to validate the HTML. We're good. Go to the product management. Validate the HTML. We're good. I believe that is it for enhancement number 6. I will log this person out. And thank you for your time. See y'all next week.